Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like camera. Then scroll down and choose one of your apps that you wish to manage, in my case Maps. Last but not least, click on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so when I click and go back, I can start Maps, just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using them. But you can always pick any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. I will go into Maps again. Now tap on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!